Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. Today I'm sharing my professional guide to the top 10 essential tools every beginner needs to create their own sanctuary. When starting out, the best approach is to prioritize quality over quantity. Don't buy everything at once. Start with a core kit and grow as your skills develop. First on the list is the hand trowel. It's your primary tool for digging small holes, transplanting seedlings, and removing pesky weeds. Expert tip, choose a version with a brightly coloured handle. It makes it so much easier to find if you accidentally leave it in the soil. Second, you need a pair of pruning shears or secateurs. These are necessary for cutting stems and tidying up your flowers. Always keep them sharp. Clean, sharp cuts help your plants heal faster. I also recommend a belt holster so they're always at hand. Third, never underestimate the value of good gardening gloves. They protect you from thorns, stings, and blisters while providing extra grip. I personally recommend nitrile coated gloves. They offer superior flexibility and perform brilliantly, even in wet conditions. Number 4 is hydration. A watering can with a long spout allows for precise direction at the base of your plants, right where they need it. Fifth is the hand fork. This is your best tool for breaking up compacted soil and mixing in compost in tight spaces. Sixth, for the larger digging tasks, you'll need a garden spade. It's essential for turning over soil and creating neat borders. Look for a lightweight version with a sturdy handle and welded blade. This helps reduce arm fatigue during long sessions. Seventh is the garden hoe. It makes weeding fast and efficient. A stirrup hoe is great for skimming just below the soil surface. Number 8, the wheelbarrow. It's a backsaver when you need to move heavy loads of soil, compost, or large plants. Expert tip, always store your wheelbarrow upright. This prevents water from accumulating and helps avoid rust over time. Ninth is the garden rake. Use a leaf rake for gathering debris and a stiff bow rake to level and prepare your soil for planting. And finally, number 10, a garden kneeler pad. It provides essential padding for your knees during long sessions of weeding or planting. For quality, I highly recommend brands like Spear and Jackson. They are known for their incredibly durable hand tools. Wolfgarten is another favourite for their multi-change system, which is fantastic for saving space in your shed. For power equipment, the STIHL battery range is my go-to. It's quiet, eco-friendly, and very easy to handle. To ensure your tools last, maintenance is key. Scrub off dirt and sap after every single use to keep them in top shape. Lightly coat metal parts with oil to prevent rust, and sand down any splinters on wooden handles to keep them comfortable. If you're on a budget, start with my top 3, a hand trowel, secateurs, and gloves. You can achieve a lot with just those. I hope this guide helps you build the perfect toolkit for your garden journey. Happy gardening from Hampshire. Visit gardennestliving.com for more tips and follow us at Garden Nest Living for daily inspiration. See you in the next video.